Hey everyone, here's a virtual tour of 235 3rd Avenue Northeast in Carmel, Indiana. Give you an idea of the road that we're on. So this is 3rd Avenue, pretty quiet neighborhood. Looks like we're gonna get a little bit of rain today. Turn the other way and you can see the three homes that are next to it, or the two homes that were next to it. All three of them were built around the same time. And they lead down here to the Blackwell Park community, which is a cul-de-sac down there at the end. And there, that intersection you're looking at is 3rd and 3rd, which is just north and east of Main Street and Range Line. So I'm gonna walk you up to the front door. So when we walk in, got a really nice entrance. High ceilings. Kind of an open foyer. And that opens up to the house. And so let's go ahead and walk through. We're just finishing up a little bit of work before the house is move-in ready. We just added the crown molding that you can kind of see around the edges. And so the ladder and some of the paint is still there in the middle, but you'll get the idea. You're looking at the stairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs. 4 of the bedrooms are upstairs. 1 of the bedrooms is downstairs. We'll look at those in a moment. I'm gonna turn around first and show you by the front door. We have a coat closet. And then as we turn and make our way in, that's the common restroom. It's a half bath in there. You're looking at a private office on the main with some built-ins. And then this door, again, I'll show you where we're at in relation to the front door. The door that you're looking at right now goes back toward the front of the house, and this is the garage. We're walking through the mudroom and into the garage. You can see we've still got a little bit of those tools. It's a 2-car garage with a little bit of extra space here on the side. Sink. And I'm actually gonna turn so you can see most of the time people come in through the garage, which is the doorway you're looking at right now. And you walk into the mudroom here. It's just really nice. Jackets down, kick your shoes off, and then walk into the main part of the house. The floors that you're looking at are bamboo, beautiful. A gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves and cabinets. This would be the living room or family room, which flows directly into a dining area. The area seats, oh gosh, I would say a 8 to 10 person table would fit comfortably right there. We turn directly into the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. That door is a pantry door, a large oversized pantry into the corner. It's really nice, and lots of natural light. I'm gonna show you the back of the house. So we've got a large deck in the back. Oh, I can hear that thunder coming. And this is a fenced in backyard. In the distance there, you're looking at Carmel High School. That's the freshman center on the other side of the fence and in the distance. And then next door, looks like the neighbors are out playing. All right, let's turn and make our way back into the house. As we go back into the house, we're gonna go downstairs first. So let's make our way downstairs. All right, as we come around the corner, you can see there's a stained concrete floor. Big open space. Kind of a extra cutout or nook area over here, which is outfitted for a a bar, a wet bar. Nice size family area. Great to put a TV either kind of here on the wall, or you can see that we've already got the cable set up for a side mount TV up there on the wall. The doors that you're looking at are a utility room. I'll open that up for you real quick. Two things to point out in here. The double hot water tank is fantastic, so you never run out of hot water. And Carmel's notorious for having hard water, so you'll notice we've got the water softener in there as well. Go ahead and turn those lights off. The other door that's next to it is just a little bit of storage that comes down next to the stairs. And I'll stand back a little bit so you can kind of see that. I'm going to turn back toward the stairs. And this is where you'll find a good-sized bedroom and full bath. Let's look at that full bath first. Great. And then here into the bedroom. A really good-sized bedroom, window, closets on the side, and then a bonus storage area I'll show you as well. So let me stand back so you can see what this all looks like coming through the door. You can see those closets, and I'll step inside so you can see the bonus storage area. Cool, just a little unfinished space, but really good for those extra items. All right, let's head back upstairs. You can see the stairs here. We're gonna go up to that main floor. All right, let's turn the corner and we'll go all the way upstairs. You can see the floors were recently refinished and stained. They look great. All right, when we get to the top of the stairs, you're gonna have the option of going left or right. Let's turn left first. And so as we turn left, what you're looking at is on the far left, we've got the laundry room. That would be over here. Then we're gonna look at a spare bedroom and then the master bedroom. Let's do those one at a time. So here's the laundry room, sink, washer and dryer included, and some hanging space, folding space, and then closet over here as well, which is a really good size. All right, in the extra bedroom, 2 windows, good sized closet. Again, just good natural light. This is a good look down the hallway from where we came. And we'll show off those doors and what's down on the other side of the house here in just a moment. Let's turn and go in the master. All right, so in the master, you're gonna notice a lot of, you're gonna see more square footage, vaulted ceilings, the ceiling fan, 3 large windows, and I'm actually gonna turn and you can see where we've come from. All right, there's the ensuite bathroom. As you walk in, double vanities. On this side, you'll see toilet with door. I kind of love this shower, I won't lie. When you walk in and turn left, I'm not sure it's going to do it any justice with the camera angle, but it's a really large, well-designed walk-in shower. All right, let's come back around here. Unique feature of this area is a walk-through walk-in closet. I'll show you what I mean by that. As you walk in from the bathroom, you'll notice that you can actually walk directly out into the hallway. So I'm gonna come over here and turn around so you can get a good look at this closet, because there's a ton of storage area. Lots of places for clothes. Again, these are all built-ins. And I'll show you on the other side as well. Just lots and lots of space for clothes. Okay, so let's walk back out into the hallway through the closet, and this time, instead of turning toward the master, which we did last time, we're going to turn the opposite direction and see the other side of the house. The 3 rooms on this side of the house are 2 additional bedrooms, so that'll be a total of 5 bedrooms in the house. You can see this one, again, 3 windows, lots of natural light. Let's take a look at one of these closets. The closets in all of the bedrooms are the same size, and they're all outfitted the same. So I'll step back so you can take a look. All of them kind of go in a little bit on the sides, so you get extra storage beyond just where the doors are. Sure does come in handy. Great. Well, let's look at that last bedroom. All right, here we go into the final bedroom. This will be our 5th bedroom. And you walk in, out turn, and you can see there's that closet. All right, let's make our way back down the hallway, back downstairs to the main area. Oh, I didn't show you the bathroom, sorry. Here we go. So common bathroom on the main area, on the upstairs area. All right, well, let's make our way back downstairs. Before we do, you can notice the high ceilings here. Just make for a really nice stairwell in the center of the house. Here we go back down. Yeah, and thanks for tolerating some of that construction as we finish up. And then when you're ready, exiting from the front door or over here to exit from the garage. Let's go ahead and do that so you can get a final feel for the house. Oh, looks like that rain is coming down. Check that out. My goodness, how was that for timing? All right, everybody, thanks for coming to visit 235 3rd Avenue Northeast.